Hey, it's Kim from Schaefer Chevrolet showcasing our 2024 Chevrolet Equinox with just over 11,600 miles on it. This vehicle is a front-wheel drive 1LT. Does come with that power liftgate and the remote start. We'll pop that open here, and you also have the rear and front park assist, which you will see those spots right there. Check out the nice cargo area in the back. You've got the rubber mats as well as the carpet mats. Pop that on down. The vehicle is going to be backed by the remaining factory warranty as well. I'm not noticing any major dings, dents, tears, scratches. This vehicle still looks brand new. And we'll pop over to here to see those front. Beautiful vehicle, great price. Right now it's priced at around $23,000 before tax and fees. Book value is actually over $25,875, I believe, at the date of this vehicle. That's the NADA value. And again, like I said, you've got that nice rubber mat there. I'm not noticing any rips, tears, odd smells, or anything of that nature inside this vehicle. So you've got the power driver's seat, the power liftgate there, and your power windows. We'll pop inside. The vehicle is also equipped and capable for Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Oops, sorry. See, it's just over that 600 mark there. Backup camera. And the other nice feature, which I love, especially if you're in Michigan, you've got your heated passenger and driver seats there. So, yes, I know I said those backwards, but I'm not about to redo the video. If you have any other questions in regard to this vehicle, go ahead and give me a call or text. I'll make sure that I have all that information below for you. And just if you happen to stop in store, I just kindly ask that you do go ahead and ask for Kim, since I promise to go ahead and take great care of you. Any other questions? Have a great day.